Ye waha na ya to say kidi. Susi on Links Entertainment. Omutun kanta oma pai. Hey, ana chi.
I know.
Omutun kanta oma pai.
What you say?
Oh, me say they parted ways.
But in Quantano, what can Quantasi?
Junction.
That's good.
Oh, me say. Junction. And you're the for because you say Kwame Eugene the kind free mo. I mean, it was before Kwame Eugene was Stop Nation, yeah. And I say Kwame Eugene ABDH and then Kiddy of all people so a free home.
And you're no pay and some baby so free musa.
Okay, they are almost signing on.
Yeah.
Okay. So my question is, yeah, dealings with production for executive producers near DNO. What do we look out for? What do we do? Say a new almost sign a contractor because wouldn't say be a young for capa or links ne omo artist omo feel moon sunny say omo feel moons are no majo. I don't know if you've heard it. Breaker, so we free links are over who Miss V name so person. Miss V now person can it's true. Or also call earlier crap. As a who free hop and now perform near the idea. I mean, it's not to say a BB or Hona say but in general, you are gurus in the industry. Moon to yemfo. Say you sign a contracts with, you know, I don't know, Mudim Bamitrimian.
Production house.
We make a production house now. Yeah, cause sign contracts with them. What do we look out for? What do we do? And come question is baby.
All right.
My best
I'm say in the first place, cause sign a contract be away in terms of the industry. A bit me a movie, a bit me a drum any idea now cause sign a contractor. I was a contract now was signed and OTS. Now who duration of the contract? And no most artists the reason is or not the new year so out. Into your car says sign here on kind put no signing. And this thing becomes a chain on their neck. Into that at was na if you do bibia almost per se into almost person free one na and Crawford Cassa no more boa no ye way de bia metis has a movie producers ho say and ye boa no free and chain yes obia ye adwuma opempuntu na say ade na one wo ye no enko yi a the person has a right to leave but unfortunately no na contract time no enso ye and I say bibia woman no enso ye sometimes someone impose percentages wom so those are the things I will say with the lawyer wo per lawyer bi na or share legal implication of nia was signing no sani ebeya or chine bi no won koto or how bi mu because most of the times na a lot of artists at or how musa and a kidi Kwame Eugene has been with Links for a long time Oma Links wama Links sika Links swama ni sika in terms of shows any ade into no se contract ni mu no there's a time frame there and there's nothing wrong with it. Okay. And I asked to the time we are here say will be free label label house be wa omo form no record label be wa record label be wa omo form no sometimes my more dynamics a room.
Yes sir.
Obo Christianes. Christianes won a crop of DJs and Crawford Links won a crop of DJs and Crawford until Links release here already know what plan in terms of week 1 when I may week 2 when I what plan all use but the good thing they say or the bad aspect they say artists because you are working with them some of them see the plans and they think say it is simple to go.
Okay.
And most of the times after Mwebenya hate no, almost say it is simple to go.
Yeah, do.
But you see, in this industry, in as much as we have good people, we also have mafias. Mejina DJ BNM ama obi di CD abreno in those days. Ama nipakone man sika o free wo bubu CD nimu edi go bolem.
But wajiska no. Shalala.
What would the cost? And secondly, I want the line of Uncrophone your my Jumache. Say Obi boy Kwame Eugene Yumwa, it is because say wire hit.
Okay.
In the same way, Obi Mbo Kwame Eugene Yumwa, it is because of a relationship on links bewo.
Okay.
It is a one name hope you want, then you can use the people that I use. So try and build your own thing yourself. Into these are some of the things. Into the Obisa say, the dynamics womb. Obi beti mi ama ye mo onyum. It's possible. Wow. And as obeje, obebon ba ko no wafro say tie. Oria we wie.
Now baby.
Yeah. Obe video not on studio. No, your video no about onyum no.
Oh, what's that? I been crying. Obet me the air stand and tad.
Obo video no ma we are pena. I say Charlie make you send me something. Oh, we wie. Into that is the dynamics in the whole system.
Yeah. Uncle Fred.
Yes. See, even it gets to a time where your own shadow even leaves you.
Charlie.
Ususu. Do you can do? Ususu my out there. I know. If you feel change, had my mother. It's not kind of some 8 verse 4. Also, only Papa cried on wine. And I'll dream who say, I can't card on when I say Jacob. Who are that man that you are mindful of? It may be a beer by a remoha. A friend show and what business. Maybe I'm a cancer or my record label. You said any record label.
Yeah.
Individual, you can the top range record label. Maybe a class A, Ghana, I be a class C, B. Cause top, but you just some record label in your bini way. To be a bar record label. Oh, yeah, number 4 and my coin is the car. Or Vishi be. Now the Wako Bono.
Yeah.
Now they are Sesicane ma they in manner and you call. And they afraid to be symbiotic association in biology. Okay. Each one derives advantage from the other. Links entertainment, Omoma will so ya. Almost man a. Now you must say, a year kiddie, everyone will free buy.
I'm a Eugene. Not kiddie.
Kiddie on an assembly that block. Kiddie went for your friend say competition.
Yeah.
I'm saying MTN
hitmaker.
Okay.
Now links is where and also he's been part of Charterhouse in terms of grooming of talents.
Yeah.
And they has been on the board before. And I reach so no answer also and you see
yeah.
And no Janus no you want to manage other artists. It's a competition in I think that he's been a judge on one of those before.
Yeah.
To win of 4, you know.
Yeah.
So he picked them from the on scratch.
Okay.
If we are saying my cat said, tell you my crowd about TV away the big But I had no so to be queer you and I could Ujaya, then no Baba Basin. Ujaya a crime base. So now contract the rules of engagement in the moment. I was fun.
That's right.
So all cheap new artists there. I found a big room in the stage. Would not cost to very called no. Abe it quata crowd the list of Nobia. Abe stand near 5 years.
Yeah.
So 3 years no question say kid don't come Eugene black sheriff from the other 3 years. I want 2 years pepe. You don't buy one on blue ye. Okay, so if we go do Sanwa. One last sign contract be. So we are strategic. But who say me buy and I see the crop is signing though me no contract. So 5 years you know. But inflationary rate in only it's a boom. Yeah. It is carried by some X amount. I say, would you do the Kakari can home? You just say you remain dead one on the craft in the call. But you are producing your grandma and you know ain't hit it. And to baby, you know, what you say you mean at it. You jad one or really say his songs, no, not on echo.
That's strategy.
Yeah. And the rules of engagement, I mean, kind. Contract written or verbal. Oh my moha. And PMP. Oh, many root to the custody of because. Oh, but then I know quite no na. It's your card on your media to me inside you. Verbal. A baby, yes, yeah. Not done a monsoon. Oh my monsoon may catch you pay contract, especially in our area in fact, won't venture you. What we a crack off was so far a patch of and so. We crying you can crave me now ye when you say jai or say you root your pouch no jai.
Nay jai for
my contract will be a judgment.
It's true.
Every brain, you to the bed to na kwa they talk to me, man has to move on in life. Especially more a man on side. So show you memu ha. A man almost 2 secular songs in Yano. Edu baby a. We are to Japan no grab your moha no so the ref kakaju. Be brave fade out me boa. Our rebel true. Your contour position you kwada. Set our she just skin pit be cleavage show near the idea. Say ko na enu no free. Where that show cleavage. E dey achira man for. See now carry on to be a cleavage na mama for bro. But what you so many I mean why adwuma che we di mu kakra. Now I want to be independent of farm. I always be ban chairman over big mu. I can so make I say the best manager is yourself.
I know, right? So that's the way.
That be
That's true.
Ah, that what to
That's true.
Now to that gig man house with now I know chon manager talk about gig me me Freddie ma. They be make I say odi 2 cities describe by me studio me beat abama.
Yeah.
If them say don't give small money chance.
Any day. Make a awesome.
Yeah, friends say don't give small. I have been man.
My experience here.
Oh, I've been. I'm never so yeah. Ube studio. Now no nyom to. Now so about ni sika. Now ko. Because you say na ho. O am grade 5 CD bi na ho. 5 to. Na nye bibi. O ye man wa. O ti. O ko say papa we. O ye yi mami. Am grade bi ko be nya be 4,000 better dey bank. Sa.
Yeah.
O ta say.
Uncle Fred.
Yes.
Make us say come away.
Yeah, kwasi.
Gangali abedi.
Gangali abedi.
Enti me pesenka me man ne baso na eja ye ni di nkomo no. Ai. Anyway, em so mo bona humemu ahweso mo sabeka na mamea. Enti yenko so mo yenko so.
So
kwasi honest.
So in conclusion, no. Asoma me can say kidi live and new story.
Oh yeah,
even the likes of Jackson 5, Obuchem, Commodores, Lionel Richie, and then Crawford, Omuchem, management. Uhe kani yena na pedunom, any CK manon, brown bread you know, because that are now omo yedjuma ma. Omo na to instrument man house. What it true?
And na make you agreement no ye be free o.
The artists of today, they want adventure. You want a kid you call Indian for Kokoye in see that say or grow for the last 10 years. Also in being the system Richard did the hookah cry. You want to go out did the hookah cry.
I say yes, I can't see. Hello. Hey, Gangalia. How about phone this abana?
Catch us here.
Gangalia. At your phone patch. Mammy introduce you to at your family, Pamucho, a doctor, question honest. If I see doctor, I am me and can be no doctor, need a special one. 80 Kwesi Ernest and Dr. Kwesi Ernest and I Kase Media Excel CEO na ono who introduce no one for Onia TV na nka ho na wa ha adwene because I was on your showtime because I was special dance bia sister bi wo fie ha o fili pa adwa o fili enti no gagali ayama wakwa ba eba SOMPA delight so.
Yeah, maybe now what you saying?
Nyamiado, me did also here.
We are Manisha, me and Wafa. Fredima, international Bacope. They are Wafa. Although I want to see a Kaka, my you move you could saw a Makaka. I'll be 11 8. There will be 11. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, hey, crazy. That's say.
Anyway, yeah, ma kwa ba shonko. Enti ye di nkomo bi ewie na mesi o wo de wa kwadre wo ai artist promotion ni artist management wonti ne se ya ma wa di nkomo ni bia ene ye mpon. So I just want you to help us. I typically say artist any artist manager ebe ye ejuma. What are some of the things that should inform omu choice of which one to go to, number one, and even for how long? me patch my question here clear. Asen say me wo ho na bia me hu say different record labels ama me offer. Then I mean looking out for. Na say me wo mu po what are the things I should look out for? Say na be ya yenya cases obi wo ho a wakọ wa rise ya na afa bia artist record label no benya ne so mfa so no na o say me come me pembe bia afa. And I say me minimum nye juma bio. That kind of thing. Why experiencing a whole lot in this space? Into that me ma area wa bank community to pass out. What are my yes sir.
Abraham community na dey be kind say. If we ask my boy be boy em. When you force I know I dey go see am nya ma na dey tia.
Sa bebe.
Musician bia oye happen coming our baso no. The okwa sign record label contract. Na company ni ka ten invest na ka ten say. Contract ya me no be sign. The person me sign 80-20. Ubenya 20%. Dunya 80%. Access no ordinary be ku na ti o se boss go father you do all. Obe sign. On one person himself, Nakumamu, and one tremor. But at that moment, because of opportunity, he will try as much as possible to stay as if say, "Oh, you're okay," with whatever the person is standing. Then the buyer will be able to make it together where you move. Now later, no one will training panel where power light. It's a traditional thing. Across board. A traditional Juma Willie contract at the man. Why wouldn't you say contract at the man? There be a better now at the man. Why would you say yes? And so, all be out there, I'm a just sign. No, you say one day, when I become big, I'll go for renegotiation. And after maybe I'll go for a different place. And it's
Sana, we are sitting, Matthias.
Savannah. Most in the entertainment industry, that is what it is, a woman. It is Nipano. Most of them, maybe who say, and Quashebo and the Obani. Obama can invest for me. Only the contract. Knowing fully, sir, I dare me saying, and then me wish ya. Now, so because of me up and coming, me person me know to say, I'm okay. Na me kwa sign vina senya nipa no investo mi e vina samia poplar na chese mashulu na makwa ba before kwa san where sa na mi show so mostly yeah memo hanu na dia ye yoche ene yadoa the industry na ba tu ene dia that is what investors have continued to suffer in the hands of creative people. Put money into me. When I become successful, I'm going.
I leave you.
We've gone through it. Yes, guy. The dear reward guy. The dear who guy. Yes, why I have a name before. We are going to have a sort of police. And no matter.
Matthias.
The other two, not perfection. If you woo all your applicants, the young people are doing, yes, the women cannot sponsor talent here. As I said, it is either you are willing to go through this divorce, this painful divorce, lose your investment to another man, or you want to look at your investment as a sacrifice into the life of a growing artist.
Wow.
And it's the truth. It is what it is.
Yeah.
You can use Bible quotations to describe it anyhow you want. But
Only say, as I'm now cannot tell me so. Meaning say, yeah, it's true, because I have witnessed, some of these things. Our industry, but they say they passionate. I can't say no. Enti gangale mami bisa semo. Enti sad dey we beating us sometime. Usun wo obede video people. Because I'm out for the kaka.
Oh, that be me there. Me, na me need me 50th birthday. me shama babo and said they have one niko we are na me di me bebe na me he nipa kakra wo manya da je wo me ho aba tra me nche na wo won me ba be se be bia na me mun say society have not been fair nipa ya wo no they have not been fair because every time you put it into proper perspective, not just a young question, your young question, I'm not in my years to choose to. A bear or shark was upon the arena, Marco President, or no plan will see heaven, and then one will see heaven barn. At once, you when you're broken and the emotion, I will be so fair. Then you need to do, and you're sound we are here. And I'm saying, I'm not going to that's it. No one can wait.
Anyway,
one will see heaven if I
say. Matuase, I mean, we're putting perspective to your discussion, especially because we are a hands-on experience in this. And yesterday, up and coming for any idea say obi nya akomani say obe support wa. It was also did no cre emano. And then later no me go sign bibia wo feel say enyema wo. Dinu krema wa wo huna dinu krema ni pakro no. Mama mfa asida piesie papa. Yes papa.
Abra sa preaching ya wo ye wo. Ni ya. And the preaching will come in preaching because Enya Juma. In 1990s. And unfortunately, right. Musicians make co-producer of Jessica so the corporate demo. No, they are there and not produce. Or the corporate Jessica so the music video. Ọbẹ̀kọ́ big man wọn mú àpapọ̀ different money. Ẹ̀yìn wọn yẹ radio studio náà ní ọkọ̀ kùmásí ní ọ̀sán kọ́tọ́ àmà another producer. Náà yẹn ntùkwa. This is somewhere 1990s o.
I see.
So you know the thing we are talking about.
Oh yeah.
Anyway. The conversation we are having, this is how it looks like. Ẹyẹ bíbí à. It is a very part of our DNA. So, yeah, people there. You're sure you can wear power life.
Wow.
Sure, you call Papa didn't change, some you call Papa or your company. You call Papa didn't change, some you call Papa sponsorship for event. Abraham, you call Papa no, Papa move. Big man. A woman who was independent. Say a musician and someone, then one.
Wow.
You didn't seek us support to gospel musicians. Obama wants 20,000. Nepal 30,000, 10,000. You could tell music video. You know, I mean, some of me, but some musicians, I mean, what work on. Say, Omra, no me perform, I mean, years there. Or say, I'll pay me 100,000 and tell about the perform one in the bathroom.
Hey, I asabo. Kagalia, encomono, there was a young studio, Hana Yatuaso. Wow, and now we be a nisubebre, we be a nisubebre. Now me preaching it a bit to me that because can if you be whoever Sakrana June. And Terry does.
I'm right. Say, preaching way. What dear? The be a event now, one say. Martin say, Pope John Paul of Africa.
Pope John Paul,
Yakupo ya don't say ko Tlimanu the do Akramo. Lanka what are the musicians here now you are common Akramo. No I'm comedian. No I'm comedian so you able to master.
Yeah, that's it. Now before you go quickly, you know. I mean, minimum Mother's Day by Auntie Maggie. Yeah, man, happy Mother's Day. Hey, Auntie Mary and Auntie Maggie. But corrected in any metra. Yeah, man, happy Mother's Day. Yami Shanopa, Auntie. Yeah, that's it. for your contribution to the discussion.
I'm going to rest this water. It's only a more bag about Bufa. Madam, they know the oil account here. Come on.
Oh, and you say me and tell Kosiago Abu but I was Suma. Gagalia, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Uncle Fred, they were very easy. I said, no.
And yeah, no.
Nay, when he came in here.
And yeah, no. What kind of credit? But producers need before some years for. There are two sides to the coin.
Okay.
Producers need be what? For. And Ebinum are very good. And then a man to say, Kusian say. And the money hurting, no?
Yeah.
Well, say what will be now we could do, baby. Now we're in the yam.
I saw some.
You understand? We're in the yam, but a binomusi are very, very wicked. Over benefiting on him pa. Even though the number say a mere, me de wa bana why you good no, and no put a show ye and wait me at another.
Wow. Yati. Uncle Fred.
Ah, because you can say, sir. I don't catch yourself for the F. Life not quite such a day. The beginning we are the pa. You do so nice film. It is nice, you know. Sorry, Timothy, I'm going to for the F. It is at first hand, and oh, you look so beautiful. But aircon, no. I'm fire fay, boy, craft around 4. Be I could say we were double number or two for the Nosabi sleeping. And so if you are that day, crowd, which may be just number. They say the way a fram for and then someone come with Chino. Like out here, I'm telling you.
Interesting. Life is interesting, isn't it?
Very interesting.
Erade moye, near some SOMPA. Baby, who be I SOMPA. I like the way our cast producers no so easy for now. You know, internet
both.
Baby, both. Hey, and easy industry way. I mean, no me.